Dollar per square foot is a great metric for finding comps for things like fix and flips and stuff like that. In this case, it's not as applicable.
Why is that? Just curious.
Right, because you're gonna go more by the square footage here. As you can see, like the price per square foot is different for rental, and when you're getting the rent of a place, you're not calculating ARV, after repair value. That's more for the value of the house.
Is it some? I guess my thought is, comping would be a new thing for me, because it seems like you could really get intricate with like comping properties. But I guess basically what we're saying here, here's this property, and here's a property like 0.2 miles away from it. It has, in this case it's easy because you say this is less stuff than this one, not that much more square footage, and yet it's $200 more a month. Like there's little reason to say this could not be the same as this, right?
Right.
Like that's kind of an easy example.
Right, and the only thing is, yeah, absolutely, I would agree. Even though that thing has like 150 more square footage, it has 150 more square feet than that one. No, but it has less bedrooms and less baths. So I also agree that this could be. That's why I said this could be closer to 1,500.